A heinous crime has once again shaken India to its core, highlighting the ongoing struggle for women's safety in our country. This time, the tragedy unfolded in one of India's oldest and most prestigious medical institutions, R.G. Kar Medical College, in Kolkata. On the morning of August 9, around 7:30 a.m., a 31-year-old postgraduate trainee was discovered lifeless in a seminar room within the college, her body bearing 10 grievous injury marks. At 10:53 a.m., the hospital's superintendent contacted the trainee's parents, informing them that their daughter was unwell, and asks them to come to the hospital as soon as possible. But just 22 minutes later, at 11:15 a.m., the same official called back with devastating news that their daughter had allegedly taken her own life. The shock deepened when the father was made to wait 3 hours before he was allowed to see his daughter's body. The sight left him devastated, and he was convinced that his daughter was raped and murdered. When the news came out, it led to nationwide outrage and widespread protest. What's weird is that the police and forensic teams initially had classified the case as an unnatural death despite the obvious signs, but then was reclassified as a rape and murder investigation due to family's complaint and public pressure. Despite the nationwide outrage, the principal of the same college blamed the victim for the incident. To this, the government responded by transferring the principal to another institution. It has already been a month since the incident, but still justice is not delivered. So, why does it take so long to seek justice in India? When a rape is reported, the process should be straightforward. It begins with the filing of a FIR at the police station. The police then launches an investigation, gathers evidence, and prepares a charge sheet to be submitted to the court. This is then followed by a trial where evidence is scrutinized and witnesses testify, culminating in a verdict. However, this process, which is supposed to deliver justice, often drags on for years. According to 2020's data of National Crime Records Bureau, over 160,000 rape cases were pending in India, with many victims waiting years for a resolution. Factors like overburdened legal system, where the sheer volume of cases overwhelm the courts, leading to significant delays. Investigative hurdles, like inadequate resources, corruption, and sometimes even deliberate sabotage, can lead to weak investigations. Societal pressure. Unlike Western countries, in India the victims and witnesses often face societal pressure, intimidation, or even threats, leading to withdrawal of complaints. A shameful fact is that even if the victims decide to fight, it takes about 8 years on average for a rape case to reach conclusion. Even a high-profile case like the Nirbhaya case took nearly 8 years from the incident to the execution of the perpetrators. To address these delays, we must strengthen fast-track courts, boost investigative resources, and penalize delays. This way, India can deliver timely justice, especially in cases of such grave and violent crimes.